My name is Edward Pojok for APC and Dr. Nentawe.
So you look at the camera, irrespective of asking.
Yes. We are, on behalf of Dr. Nentawe Yilwada and the APC, we are very, very happy with the two judgments just delivered by the court in respect of the governorship of Plateau State. The court has ruled in favor that Dr. Nentawe Yilwada was not only qualified by virtue of the matter being a post-election matter to have brought the petition, but that his petition has merit. All the issues were resolved in his favor, and he has been declared as the lawfully elected governor of Plateau State, and INEC has been ordered to give him his certificate of return. Therefore, we are very, very happy with the judgment. We listened to it with rapt attention. It covered so many areas. We advise members of the public to please read the judgment first before some people begin to have negative views of it. In addition, the court also dismissed the cross appeal filed by the PDP. They said it lacks merit. They also upheld our objection to the competence of the cross appeal filed by the PDP because they did not even compile the records. So today, we are very, very happy, and we thank the people of Plateau State for reposing confidence in Dr. Nentawe Yilwada. We urge them to be peaceful and law-abiding and to await the swearing-in of Dr. Nentawe as the duly elected governor of Plateau State.
But then people are arguing that this is a pre-election matter.
I said it. If you followed the judgment, it was very, very clear. The court said, go and read section 134, sub 1 of the Electoral Act. It is very, very clear that this is a post-election matter. Being a post-election matter, it means that the course of action for anyone who is not a member of the PDP starts from the day of the election. I think this is one area that many people do not understand. It would have been a pre-election matter for aspirants or members of the PDP. But any other candidate from any other party will wait until the election. Then what will qualify him is the fact that he has contested, and he says PDP was not qualified to contest. And what made PDP not qualified to contest? The court said they have been found to have disobeyed serially series of judgments of Plateau State High Court and the Court of Appeal. The other judgments were to the effect that PDP, you don't have a structure. Once you don't have a structure, it means you do not even have a party to even sponsor a candidate. So if you cannot sponsor a candidate, it means you do not in law exist. So as a matter of fact, all the votes given to the PDP were declared to be wasted votes, meaning Dr. Nentawe's votes were the valid votes. Therefore, having satisfied the requirements of the law, he has been returned as the duly elected governor of Plateau State.